Hey guys, today you are in for a bit of a treat because we've got Annabella joining us. Hi Bella.
Hello.
Bella is a great friend and is in the neighbourhood and heard that she gets to try all these yummy foods.
Just happened to be in the neighbourhood.
And today we're going to be making choc chip cookies, which you can make vegan as well. Yum. You've tried them before.
Yeah.
Everybody's been asking for them, so please stick around and you can get this recipe for the most amazing choc chip cookies. So I don't know if you guys know this about me, but we used to have a wholesale biscuit manufacturing business. You remember?
I do.
And Bella here used to buy our biscuits quite regularly, not knowing who we were until we met much later on.
Yes.
And so the whole process of making a biscuit is a well-worn path for me.
Yep. And the whole process of eating a biscuit is a well-worn path for me.
Cool. And so like many other biscuits, this process is very similar in that you cream the butter and sugar, then you add the egg slowly, then you drop in your dries, and then you put in your chocolate chips. Except this one is gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan if you wish it to be.
Cool.
Yeah, let's get started. All right, so the flour we're using is coconut flour. And coconut flour has a great texture in that absorbs and still gets a good crunch when you cooked it.
See, I've had experience with coconut flour where it like absorbs so much
That
and
it's
I've
like
sort
rock.
of been scared to use it ever since because I can't figure out, it just keeps taking away the moisture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need much at all.
Okay.
You
Don't need much flour.
No, it's not a 1-to-1 like regular flour.
Yeah.
It's like a 1/4 to 1. You just do not need much at all. And the other thing is that you need to add fat.
Okay.
Otherwise it's like rock.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. So we have coconut flour and some coconut sugar, which we're going to keep for the eggs.
Coconut can produce so much.
It's insane what it does.
But it's quite sweet, not as sweet as sugar.
It's not as sweet as sugar.
Okay.
And it's also very caramelly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks it, yeah. Okay.
It's got that kind of burnt sugar taste. A bit like palm sugar does.
Yeah, but it's like, you're right, it's not very, it's not
No,
as sweet
it's
as
not
putting
like
your finger
sickly.
in sugar. Yeah.
Yeah. We're using baking powder
Okay.
because we want to get a little bit of a rise and we just want to give that a bit of a stir. So
Awesome.
let Bella do that. All right, now we're going to cream our butter and sugar. We're using Nuttelex. Have you ever used Nuttelex before?
Yeah.
Cooking? Yeah. We're using so little that it's not grabbing the butter very easily. So I'm going to throw the sugar in and put it back on. So what we're trying to do here is cream the butter and the sugar together. The creaming helps break down the sugar, so it's not so gritty. And you want it to like be quite fluffy as well.
Yeah.
So you're incorporating a bit of air as well.
Oh yeah, you can smell it. It's really like caramelly.
Yeah, isn't
That
it?
sugar. Yeah.
Normally I would make this in a double batch, honestly. They're so good they disappear in seconds.
Why aren't we making a double batch?
That's a very good question. And I'm just going to scrape down the sides a little. Get it down the middle, just to help it along.
Oh, that KitchenAid does wonders actually.
Yeah.
And for $99. They're way more than that.
For $199.
$1,000.
Once it starts to really take, just bump up the volume. It speeds it up.
That's like prime bowl licking texture. When you want to get that really good bowl licking texture.
You see how it's really creamy now?
Yeah.
And lightened and whitened. So we're throwing in our vanilla.
Okay.
Sorry. A blender whips air into it, whereas a food processor cuts as it goes through, so it slices through. You don't want to slice it through, you want it to pick up and whip it.
Okay.
And so you can only do that with you could do it with a hand beater.
Yeah.
Just take you forever.
Yeah. No, I do remember actually. I remember being a kid and like you'd help mum make something and we didn't have something like this, so the job was literally to stand there for 10 minutes with the hand beater.
No, I bet you didn't enjoy
I don't know.
that. Did you enjoy it?
I think because we didn't know anything else, it was like, yeah, sure.
Oh my God, that would have taken forever.
Cookies are the end goal.
All right, so now, wait, there's more. Oh my God, I can't believe we forgot this. This is super important. We've got some almond butter that I've blended earlier. Do you want to taste?
Yeah. Why is yours light and when it's at the shops it's dark? Because they have skin on it?
Yeah. I did it with slivered almonds with a touch of vanilla.
Oh, you would have got that on camera, me going.
We're going to throw that in. Now, the thing is, this recipe can also be made with peanut butter, which is what you tasted last time.
Oh, that was good.
But we're doing it with almond butter today.
Did you make that peanut butter?
No.
Okay.
Have you ever made almond butter?
No.
It's so easy.
Yeah, people say this, but it doesn't seem like it is. How does all the oil get in there? You have to add oil?
No, it's got
comes out of
oil
the-
in it. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, we've got a video. We have a video.
Oh, yes.
Check it out. Make your own almond butter.
Cool.
Yeah, there you go. All right, so now we are adding our eggs.
Cool. Okay, I
Chuck
can stick
'em
those in?
Yep. We're going to start slow and then we're going to whip it.
Real
again.
good. So why do you start slow?
Eggs can have a tendency to curdle if you
Oh, yeah?
do it too fast, too quick. And ideally you should do one at a time, but
Ain't no time for that.
if you do it slowly, it's okay. Yeah. You wouldn't do more than two, like that. That would be not wise. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really changing the consistency.
Yeah. But what we want to do is scrape down the bowl because it's not quite catching at the bottom. You smell the nuts.
So good.
Now, so if you wanted to make this vegan, and I've got the recipes in the below, down there, you would use a flax egg instead.
Is that just flaxseed and water?
Yeah,
Like flax meal and water?
flax meal.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, and it's like a certain ratio, and you let it sit for a period of time, and it goes all kind of gluggy like an egg does.
Cool. Is that like the same thing where you can use chia seeds?
Yeah,
I made a jam on the weekend with chia seeds.
chia jam's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, in our, which recipe was it where I used chia jam? The strudel, the Danish.
Oh yeah.
The cherry berry Danish we talked about.
Yes.
So if you haven't checked that out, chia jam's in there.
Yeah. I think that's actually, because I started watching that and then I was like, we need a jam for this banana bread we've made. And I think I used that inspiration.
Yeah. You can make any fruit jam with chia. It's fantastic. All right, that looks pretty good. Nice and creamy.
I could like spread that on a cracker at this
Yes,
time?
please.
Okay.
Now we're going to throw in our coconut flour and baking powder.
All right.
Yep. And just do this slowly, not too much. And the reason why you do it slowly is because we don't want to overwork any flour. It makes the biscuit tough.
We don't want that.
No.
Cool. Yeah, it's smelling really good.
Yeah. And so you just want to just incorporate the flour.
Okay.
There's no, which looks pretty good. We're going to stop that now.
Should I scrape the sides down?
Now what we'll do is we'll take it off because like I said, we don't want to overwork the flour, but we'll just give it a final stir. Right, there we go. Let's get it. Oh. I'm not used to working from this direction. Get that out of the way. Chances are, if you're at home, you'd be doing this bit with your hands.
Or your tongue. Can I set that in there?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. And now it is a good idea to scrape it down and really mix the bottom of the bowl, just in case there's a little bit of unmixed butter or anything like that in the bottom. Or margarine. It's looking pretty good though.
Yeah.
It's looking real good.
Oh yeah. Cool.
And now we're going to throw in our delicious, these are Calabo choc chips, which are a really yummy brand, but they're dairy free. They ain't sugar free though. All right.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
In the early days of our biscuit factory, before we were so busy that we had to get forming machines, we used to use this.
Like an ice cream scoop?
As an ice cream scoop to make the
I want to see.
former. All right, bring the tray over.
Can I put it on it?
Yeah. The beauty of the ice cream scoop is you get absolute uniformity when you're making it. So I always just do it quite flat, so you're not getting any extra, and pop it down.
What?
Yeah, right.
That is so genius. Is that a thing that people are doing? They should be.
I don't know, that's what I did. It's like such a great way. And even though this mixture's super soft and you expect it to spread heaps, it actually doesn't.
Do you mean
It
like when it after it cooks it won't
As it cooks, it doesn't
go
spread.
right? Yeah, because that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, it's too close to the corner.
No, they don't spread. Yeah, so this makes exactly 12 of the nice, good ice cream scoops. Look at that.
That's great.
You think I planned it or something?
I know, right?
And because these don't spread much, at this point you need to squish them a little bit. Like that. Just keep them nice and round. They're sticking. They're so good. All right, oven on at 180 degrees. We're going to throw them in for however long it says down there. I think it's 30 minutes. Our cookies are out of the oven and they look amazing.
They look so pretty. They set like just perfect rings.
They do, they really, see what I mean by they don't really spread, like they just, the perfect amount. Ah, they were so good. But they've just come out of the oven, so they're
We can't eat them
super
yet.
soft. Well, no, you can, you absolutely can. This corner one's done a little bit more. So you can, definitely. You know what? Eat one.
Eat some.
Uh-huh. In fact, they're really good right out of the oven.
Yep. You know what? We shouldn't give these to anyone. We'll just eat them all.
Clear the diary. We'll be here
Yeah.
eating these.
There's nothing else we need to say, right?
They are so good,
Oh my
guys.
word. But you're right, like they are soft in the middle and just like the perfect amount of crunchy on the outside.
And as they cool down, they get even more crispy. And the inside still stays creamy, chewy, gooey. Just not as hot, obviously.
Oh.
Let's pop these on a plate. Very carefully.
So would you put these in the fridge?
I wouldn't put them in the fridge because the moisture in the fridge will make them go soggy. Make sure they're completely cooled and then put them in an airtight container. The first day they'll stay crunchy, but the second day the outside will go softer. And if you really wanted to crisp them back up, you could throw them back in the oven for 10 minutes.
Could you freeze them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can freeze biscuits. Obviously, they're not as crunchy. Yeah. But, so there you go. So guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. We did. Thank you so much for coming along.
Thank you for having me.
So much fun.
Yeah, it has been awesome.
So, what do you think the punter should do at this point?
Oh yeah, no, I got this bit. Like, subscribe, DM, tweet.
Don't tweet. I don't know tweet. Insta,
Facebook,
hit the bell.
Stories. Get at us.
We'd love to see your photos if you have a go at this.
Yes,
Maybe,
for sure. Tag us.
Yes.
Her. Tag me. Yep.
Maybe you'll just have to become a more regular addition.
Yeah, that can be arranged. That's fine.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Peter Papa picked the paper, pick the papers.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Chocolate chip cookies in my mouth.
The magic of perspective.
Yep, that sounds great.
Jimmy. Have fun already. Talking to you. Do you like gooey and crunchy?
That's a fine biggie.
Okay, I'll try it. Oh my god. Bye.